don't know. Papa, where am
My brother.
Why you are not looking at the back of magazine? What's the problem?
Okay. You know, sometimes when you read the heading, you come to the subheading and understand the history of the book.
Oh, wow.
Yes, sir.
Well, anyway, I made food for you.
Donald Trump, yeah?
I made food for you.
You shouldn't be worrying yourself. I've told you, this is my house. I'm no longer a visitor. Anytime I come here, you worry yourself.
Well, I thought you should have something to
No
no problem. I said you don't want to eat. Let me just take food back.
Come back now.
What's the problem now? You say you don't want to eat.
You don't know how to pet a visitor. You don't know what I was saying.
You're okay.
Hey, you shouldn't be judging by one answering. We still have like several answers. When I get one, you pet me.
So I should keep.
We will still consider. You have me, no.
Let me go and get it.
Just one, no.
Let me
You are
get
taking
one.
it back.
Let me
Okay,
get
no problem. Look at this one. Someone will just come to your house and tell you one no. You didn't mean.